Would you like to be part of a yarn Destash? Take the yarn that you have and make a seasonal table runner. With me, I challenge you to get this pattern done within 5 days. Is it possible? Yes, it is. I will lead you through it every single day for 5 days, all through live video. I will teach you everything you need to know about the pattern, the colors, which colors to pick, and how to make it even prettier at the end. And all while you're doing that, you are donating to a good cause. Part of the profit of the crochet pattern go towards a charity. So the more people we have to join this amazing table runner pattern, crochet pattern challenge, helping you destash your yarn while making an awesome piece that can be a crochet gift in the end, the more people we have, the better, because we get to donate more money to the charity. What? Yes, let's do this. Let's make this table runner together. Let me guide you through it, through videos every single day, at least 5 videos in a support group, very exclusive support group. You can't find the pattern anywhere else. It's just going to be part of this challenge. So click the link in the description and read more about it. Come join us in this crochet pattern challenge and get rid of some of your yarn stash. And at the same time, donate to a charity. Let's help others while we can crochet something that makes us feel great.